This video will describe the Ecology project draft 1. So the goal of your project is to assemble a food web from your chosen biome, and you will use your outline that you completed already to assemble your project. The materials you'll need is that Ecology project outline assignment, and it needs to be done, and you need to have viewed the feedback that I gave you. In addition, you'll need paper and pencils, or if you wish, you can do this entire assignment on Google Slides. So you can just do it all digitally. Here are the requirements for the first draft of your Ecology project. You're going to be making a food web, and what you will need are the following. Your food chains that come together to form your food web need to include a minimum of 3 trophic levels. So if you don't know what this means, you need to go back and review your Introduction to Food Webs assignment. Your food web also needs to include a minimum of 2 producers, a decomposer, 5 abiotic factors, and of course arrows that are correctly drawn. These directions are the main reason for me producing this video because I really want to explain what's going on here. I mentioned before that you're going to review your Ecology project outline and just make any necessary edits. I will make sure I'm available for feedback. Speaking of feedback, here's the video that you've probably already viewed, but it's here for you again, so use this for additional feedback from me. Then you'll move to assembly. You'll use your Ecology project outline first to assemble several food chains. These are just separate chains. You've made a few already. You're going to make some more. And this is a great video from Mr. Jablinowski explaining how to construct these food chains. So please, please, please watch these videos. The next thing you'll do is use your list of food chains to build your food web, and it's described how to do that right here, so continue watching these videos, please. Finally, you're going to add both decomposers and a minimum of 5 abiotic factors to your food web. And there's a video on that, so please watch these videos, they're super helpful. As for submission, if you made it on paper, once it's completed, take a clear picture and submit the picture to Google Classroom. There's a couple of ways you can do that. You can paste it onto a Google Doc, or you can just add the picture itself to your Drive and just share the picture. I am willing to help you out with any of that if there's confusion on submission to Google Classroom. One thing I will ask you to do is to save the project. Make sure you save it, because this is a draft. You don't want to make the whole thing over again, especially if most of it's right. Then you can just add to it as we learn more throughout this unit. So hang on to it. If you're doing a digital construction, it needs to be on one Google Sheet. It's just a poster that's digital. So you submit your slideshow with one slide to Google Classroom and the appropriate assignment, and save that project. It'll be saved on Google Classroom for you, but just keep it handy. You'll be adding to it in the final draft. If there's any questions, please reach out.